You have been cooking coconut rice, but somehow it never really tastes like coconut. Instead, it's giving concoction or jollof rice vibe. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you 4 common mistakes that steal the flavor from your rice, and more importantly, how to fix them for good. Let's get into it. Number 1 mistake is using that canned preservative-filled coconut milk from the store. Trust me, the taste is not the same as the fresh creamy one you get straight from the fruit. The truth is, most of us already know this, but let's be honest, cracking a coconut and getting the milk out feels like too much stress, so we just go for the store-bought one. But give me just a few seconds and I will show you an easier way. You will learn the fastest way to crack a coconut and the simplest way to extract fresh coconut milk. Now hold your coconut firmly, then use a knife to cut around it, and in a few seconds it will pop right open. Now let's make the milk. Add the sliced coconut to your blender and pour in just enough water to cover it. This helps it blend well and gives you more milk. Blend until smooth, then pour it through a sieve to separate the milk from the chaff. Now look at that milk, so creamy and delicious. And more importantly, it is packed with amazing health benefits. You will get way more from this than any canned version from the store. Mistake number 2 is using tomatoes in your coconut rice. Please leave tomato paste and fresh tomatoes for your jollof rice. Next time, try using red bell pepper and Scotch bonnet pepper instead. Rough blend them, make sure they are not too smooth. The flavor from these two would overpower the coconut taste. Mistake number 3 is using too many spices. When you load your pot with curry, thyme, bay leaf, rosemary, oregano and the rest, you bury the coconut flavor. Keep it simple so that you can get the real coconut taste from your rice. If you want extra flavor, fix this by using smoked panla fish or crayfish or any grilled fish of choice. We all know that all these ones are naturally packed with flavor that will make your rice taste delicious. Lastly, mistake number 4, which is not adding fresh chopped coconut into your rice. How is it coconut rice when what's added is just the coconut milk? Trust me, you need these slices of coconut in your rice for that yummy nice crunch in every spoon, and it brings out the real coconut taste even more. The fried meat and shrimps I added are totally optional. This freshly chopped coconut is the main ingredient in your rice. Please don't skip it, it's the real game changer. I know say you don't learn one or two from this video. I beg, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you no go miss any of my sweet recipes and kitchen secrets. Thank you for watching. See you for my next video. Bye.